Technologies, or Fintech, is creating a diversified digital financial service market, while digital transformation has become a major driving force for the development of the securities industries in China. According to a report from consultancy firm KPMG, 22 listed securities firms disclosed their information technology investments in 2021, with a total investment of more than 14 billion yuan. Among them, the securities firm with the highest investment was 2.3 billion yuan, while the highest year-on-year growth rate was 294%. As technology matures and fintech crossover competition enters the second round, the convergence of financial institutes and technology firms is also on the rise. Cooperation between China and other foreign countries in the fintech sector has been growing steadily, with the tie-up between China's industrial securities and US-based Red Hat the latest instance.
Digital intelligence infrastructure is one of the four capabilities that our fintech strategy is trying to improve. So it has actually three layers. The front-end layer is where our client-facing applications and the business systems are deployed. So with Red Hat OpenShift technology, we built an enterprise container infrastructure for our middle layer and the front-end layer, and it truly guarantees scalability and agility of our business solutions.
Those are two of the evolving areas. We're excited about both because, obviously we believe in hybrid. When we see that push to hybrid architectures, we think we can solve that well. And AI is a really critical use case for us.
I would just add to that, I think there's a class of applications that there's requirements of where the data lives, whether that's maybe some applications require that data has to live on premise somewhere. And so while there might be a set of applications that are okay to run out in the clouds, there may be another set where the data is required to live inside. So that's still one environment for the CIO.
And for the users, one of the benefits from digitalized financial sector is the additional protection of their personal data to put their money in the safer place.
In addition to the privacy that we're trying to protect, trying our best to utilize the data as a digital asset. For example, we can know our customer better by implementing, we call the data tags on the customer, so we can have a better portrait of the customer.
There's also many security requirements in the financial world as well, and having security built into whatever the infrastructure is that they're running for those applications.
Suppose we are building a digital giant. The fintech plan provides the bones and the fleshes for the giant, but the digitization gives the soul, and the data will provide the giant with intelligence.
The State Council says that in the 14th five-year plan for digital economy development, the added value of core industries in the digital economy will account for 10% of GDP by 2025. The country has an even bigger map for the digital economy. Xi, CGTN, Beijing.